Here are the main factors contributing to land degradation in India. Deforestation removes the green cover required to protect land from soil erosion by wind and water, and thus contributes to land degradation. In some parts of India, overgrazing by cattle has converted permanent pastures into barren land, leading to land degradation. Examples are the states of Maharashtra, Madhya Pradesh, Gujarat, and Rajasthan. Indiscriminate deforestation and excavation done as part of mining activity and quarrying also causes land degradation. Jharkhand, Chhattisgarh, Orissa, and Madhya Pradesh have suffered deforestation due to mining. Over-irrigation of cultivated land in some parts of India leads to waterlogging. This increases the saline and alkaline levels in the soil, leading to land degradation. You find this in Punjab, Haryana, and western Uttar Pradesh. Disposal of solid and liquid waste by industries on surrounding land or water bodies has also become a major cause of land degradation and water pollution. Industrial activities like grinding of limestone, calcite, and soapstone, which release dust, retards water infiltration into the soil. This brings us to the question, what steps can be taken to control the problem of land degradation? The solution lies in taking steps for land conservation. Some steps for land conservation are afforestation, controlled grazing and mining activity, stabilization of sand dunes by growing thorny bushes, proper disposal of industrial effluents after treatment, and continuous monitoring of soil conditions. Soil is formed over millions of years by weathering of rocks and minerals, and also by natural agents like variation in temperature, climate, wind, glaciers, and running water. The important factors that influence soil formation are relief, parent rock, vegetation, and other life forms, and most important of all, time. Chemical and organic changes also take place in the soil. Soil is a natural, abiotic, renewable resource. It contains inorganic and organic matter such as humus. Soil is an essential resource that supports a majority of plant and animal life on the earth. The layer of soil may be a few centimeters to several meters thick in different regions. Usually, when we say soil, we refer to the thin layer of the top soil or the fine upper layer of soil in a region. Based on their physical and chemical properties, age, texture, and color, soils in India can be classified as alluvial, black soil, red and yellow soil, laterite, arid and forest soil. Let us learn more about each of these types of soils. The northern plains of India are made of fertile alluvial soils, which extend to Gujarat and Rajasthan through a narrow corridor formed by the Indus, the Ganga and the Brahmaputra river systems. Alluvial soils are also found in the eastern coastal plains and deltas of the Godavari, the Mahanadi, the Krishna and the Kaveri. Alluvial soil is a mixture of sand, silt and clay. The new alluvial soils called Khadar, found in the Gangetic plains, have small particles and a fine texture. The old alluvial soils called Bangar, found near the river valleys, are coarser and contain more pieces of rocks called Kankar. In other words, Khadar is more fertile than the Bangar. The fertile alluvial soils are rich in potash, phosphoric acid and lime, and are ideal for growing sugarcane, wheat, rice, pulses and cereal crops. Due to the richness of soil, the regions of alluvial soils are densely populated and the level of cultivation is high. Black soil, also called Regur, is found in the Deccan Plateau, spread over Maharashtra, Saurashtra, Malwa, Madhya Pradesh and Chhattisgarh. Black soil is formed by the climatic conditions and weathering of volcanic rocks found in this region. Black soil is rich in calcium carbonate, potash, magnesium and lime. It also has good water retention properties due to the fine clayey particles. However, it is poor in phosphorus, which is a very important nutrient in soil. This type of soil has to be immediately tilled after the first shower of monsoon to prevent it from getting sticky. It is ideally suited for the cultivation of cotton and is also called black cotton soil. Red and yellow soils are found in southern and eastern parts of Deccan Plateau, southern Gangetic Plains, along the western Ghats, and some parts of Orissa and Chhattisgarh. The red color is due to the presence of iron in the rocks from which the soil was formed and appears yellow when wet. The high iron content makes this type of soil good for cultivating various types of grams, groundnuts, and castor seeds. Laterite soils are found in Kerala, Karnataka, Madhya Pradesh, Tamil Nadu, and parts of Orissa and Assam. All these areas experience high temperature and heavy rainfall. This soil develops by leaching due to heavy rains. Laterite soil is low in organic components and can be made cultivable with the use of adequate fertilizers and manures. It is good for cultivation of tea, coffee, and cashew nuts. Arid means dry. True to its name, arid soil is found in western Rajasthan and parts of Kutch region in Gujarat that receive very little rainfall. It is reddish-brown in color and has a sandy texture. Due to high temperatures and dry climate, arid soil is low in moisture and organic content and has high salt content. The salt content is so high that common salt is obtained by mere evaporation of the water. Forest soils are found in the mountainous regions of the Himalayas from Kashmir to Arunachal Pradesh. Most of these regions experience a cool climate with abundant rain and snowfall. The texture of forest soils varies from coarse-grained on mountain slopes to loamy in river valleys. Forest soil in snow-covered areas is often acidic with low humus content. However, wheat, rice, sugarcane, and oilseeds are cultivated in forest soils of many parts in Jammu and Kashmir and Arunachal Pradesh. Soil is an essential natural resource that supports a majority of plant and animal life on the earth. It is a renewable resource. However, it takes hundreds and thousands of years for a thin layer of soil to form.